Once upon a time in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young man named Aiden. Aiden was known throughout the village for his positive attitude and unwavering determination. But life had not always been easy for him. From a young age, Aiden had faced numerous challenges. He came from a humble family and had to work hard to make ends meet. Despite the difficulties, Aiden always had a smile on his face and a dream in his heart. One day, when Aiden was just a teenager, a severe drought struck the village. Crops withered, and the once gurgling river turned into a mere trickle. The entire village struggled to find enough food and water to survive. But Aiden refused to give in to despair. He decided to venture into the parched wilderness in search of a hidden spring he had heard about from his grandfather. For days, he trudged through the scorching heat, his determination unwavering. Finally, he stumbled upon the spring, and with great effort, he dug a well, providing fresh water to the entire village. The villagers were filled with gratitude, and Aiden's actions earned him their respect. He had learned that problems in life were merely opportunities in disguise. As years passed, Aiden faced more challenges. He dreamed of becoming a successful farmer, but the land he owned was rocky and barren. Undeterred, he started researching and experimenting with various farming techniques. He sought advice from experts and worked tirelessly, turning his barren land into fertile soil. Aiden's perseverance paid off, and soon his farm flourished. His crops were the best in the region, and people came from far and wide to learn from him. He not only achieved success but also helped the entire community thrive. But life had one more lesson in store for Aiden. Just as everything seemed perfect, a terrible storm swept through the village, destroying his crops and farm. Aiden was devastated, but he remembered the lessons he had learned throughout his life. Instead of giving in to despair, Aiden decided to rebuild his farm even better than before. He gathered the villagers, and they worked tirelessly to repair the damage. Aiden also implemented new strategies to make his farm more resilient to future storms. Years went by, and Aiden's farm not only recovered but grew stronger. He diversified his crops and even started a small school to teach others about farming techniques. He became not just a successful farmer but a respected leader in the community. Aiden's life was a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and a positive attitude. He had learned that problems in life were not obstacles but stepping stones to growth and success. His story became an inspiration to all who knew him, reminding them that with the right mindset, any challenge could be overcome. So, the next time life presents you with problems, remember Aiden's story. Embrace those challenges, for they are the seeds of your future success and growth.